Hello, and welcome to the Good Weighing Practice video series. This video emphasizes the importance of weighing and the impact it can have on a business's product quality, regulatory compliance, and economic goals if it is not performed accurately. In this video, I would like to explain what a safety factor is, how to define it, and why it makes sense to apply it. All balances and scales made by Mettler-Toledo are of the highest quality. However, which one is accurate enough for its intended weighing purpose? To have a better understanding of a safety factor, consider a situation where you have an important appointment at 3 o'clock. By car, the normal driving distance takes 1 hour. If the streets are covered in snow, or if you would travel during rush hour, instead of leaving at 2 o'clock, you would leave at 1 o'clock. In effect, you have used a safety factor to assure an on-time arrival. In the laboratory or on the production floor, environmental variations are less obvious. It is important to understand, when a weighing device is manufactured, its performance is tested in a controlled environment at Mettler-Toledo and compared to specified tolerances. For example, these environmental influences are considered and controlled: humidity, temperature, vibration, air draft, electrostatics, magnetic influences. Upon installation of a new balance or scale at your location, it is important to use a safety factor in order to compensate for these environmental influences. Not using a safety factor could lead to out-of-spec analytical testing results or bad production batch quality. So how should we define the appropriate safety factor for the device? Even if the environment is stable, a safety factor below 2 is normally not sufficient due to long-term instabilities. In a normal lab, a safety factor of 2 should be appropriate if the end user is well-trained and the material being weighed is stable. In a production environment, a safety factor of 3 or more is often required to account for the vast amount of environmental disturbances that may occur. In cases where constant usage, heavy traffic, or portable scales are concerned, a safety factor between 4 and 10 may be necessary. Check out this guide. It has more information on safety factor. Or you can contact Mettler-Toledo for further support to help define a safety factor that is right for your weighing process. In addition, remember that Mettler-Toledo can give guidance for reducing environmental influences and their impact on weighing with our special solutions and our weighing accessories. Based on proven scientific principles, Mettler-Toledo can advise you on the right choice of a weighing device and issue a complimentary GWP recommendation report. We can also advise you if your installed balances and scales are fit for purpose by offering a unique service called GWP verification. As a result, you can be sure that your weighing devices satisfy the quality requirements of your products and analyses. To learn more, check out other videos in our Good Weighing Practice video series.